Have you guys seen these kind of AI generated images on the internet? Well, you must have seen this on Facebook, Instagram or any other platform, and I know that you also want to learn that how you can actually create these kind of AI generated images for free and convert your imagination into reality. Well, this method is super simple, super easy and free of cost. You just have to watch this video and I promise you that right after watching this video, you will be able to create these kind of images for free. Like you can just open that AI tool and just write any of the command which is in your mind. Like if you want the image of a man or a celebrity riding on the horse, eating apple or drinking juice, so you can basically type that whole situation into a sentence and that AI tool will convert your sentence into a picture form. So in that picture, you'll be able to see your favorite character riding on the horse, eating apple or drinking juice. Interesting? So if you also want to learn this free method, then keep on watching this short video completely till the end, step by step, without skipping any part. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I run multiple online businesses like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, affiliate marketing and YouTube. That gives me financial freedom and allow me to travel the world without having any worry of 9-to-5 job. So if you also want this freedom to working remotely from anywhere in the world, then make sure to subscribe my channel to learn more about online earning for free. And if you're confused at where to start, then you can just simply visit the link ways2sellonline.com/start. So you can just find some useful material from there and get a complete roadmap from where to start. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I am on my laptop right now and on the Google, I have just searched for ClipDrop. So basically there are many of the tools out there from which you can actually create AI generated images, but some of those tools are expensive like paid tool and some of those are not that much effective. But after doing a lot of research for you guys, I have just found this tool ClipDrop which is 100% free, and when you see the results of this tool, you will be shocked. So without wasting any time, let's just click on this tool and see what we can do from this, right? So after clicking on that tool, you can see that this tool say that create stunning visuals in seconds, right? So if we go down, we can see many of the tools here. Like in this tool ClipDrop, we can find many of the sub tools which are for different purposes. Like you can see that this tool, second one, uncrop, is basically used to crop the pictures, and just like that, if you scroll down, we can see many of the tools like stable doodle, cleanup, remove background and so on. But for this video, we're going to use this first tool which says stable diffusion XL, right? So basically in this tool, we can just draw any of the image. So let's just click on this button, and then after that you will be able to see this screen like stable diffusion XL, and here is a text field, enter your prompt, and here is a generate button. So basically you can write here anything which is in your mind and click on generate, and that AI tool will basically convert your command into image. So let's just try anything. Like let's type the name of any celebrity like Emma Watson and then define a situation like wearing black jacket and sitting on sofa, right? So here we have defined a character and a situation. So after typing that prompt, if I click on generate, so here this AI tool will take some of your time, like maybe 1 minute or less depending on your internet connection, and then you will be able to see the image which will be generated against your command. Wow, so here the image is done and this is literally amazing. You can see that we are having 4 images in front of us, and in all those 4 images, the celebrity which we have just selected like Emma Watson sitting on a sofa and wearing the black jacket. Here's the first image, here's the second image, here's the third, and here is the fourth. And the good thing about this tool is we can just have the same command in all of these 4 images, but all of these 4 images are different, like having different pose, different angle, but following the same instruction which we have just given, like Emma Watson wearing black jacket and sitting on a sofa. So just like that, you can just type any of the character, or if you don't want to type any character, you can just simply type man, woman or children, and you can just define your imagination. Like if you're typing for a man, so what you want that man to do, like if this man is a chef standing in the kitchen cooking food, or if that woman is riding bike, or if that children is riding a cycle. So let's just go on that tool again and type for a different command just to see how this tool will utilize that command and generate the image for us. So here I can click on back and erase that command and type a new command which says Scarlett Johansson with golden hairs riding the horse and eating burger. So she's also a famous celebrity of Hollywood. So in this image we want her with the golden hair riding a horse and eating the burger while riding the horse. So basically this command is a little tough, but let's see how this AI tool convert this command into image. So if I click on generate here, so after waiting for 1 minute, I can see that we are having 4 images in front of us, and in all of those 4 images I can see that character riding on a horse and having golden hair. But I cannot see any burger here because this is an AI tool, that is artificially intelligence tool, and this tool know that that while riding a horse, no one can eat the burger. So basically this tool has split that command into two images. Like in first image, I can see she is riding on horse, and in second image, she's basically sitting on horse having golden hair and eating burger. Like this tool know that while riding the horse, no one can eat burger, but while sitting on a horse, when the horse is in stable condition, one can eat the burger. So you can see that third image. Here you can see that she's actually having golden hair, riding on a horse eating burger, and in the fourth image we can see the same. So basically if you're earning your monthly income through internet by doing social media marketing, by doing digital marketing, or by selling your e-commerce product on multiple websites, this tool can actually help you a lot. Like you can actually create your illustration, you can actually create your product images for your product to sell online, and for all of this you can just do it without having any experience, free of cost, and without paying too much money to any graphic designer. Right? So I hope you like this video, and after watching this video, you're definitely going to use this free tool in future to make your task easier and to boost your online business. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.